Do you want to learn how to make one of the best organic soap for business that people keep buying and buying again? In today's video, I will show you how I made this powerful homemade African black soap that helps clear acne, nourish the skin, and give a natural glowing look. The best part is that this soap is made with few affordable ingredients, beginner-friendly, highly profitable, and perfect for anyone that wants to start a skincare business from home. Stay till the end and learn the full process step by step. Welcome back, my lovely people. Let's go into the business. The first ingredient we need is our black soap. This is our African Nigeria soap. I got it from an organic store where they sell organic skincare products. This is Nigeria black soap and is very good for our skin. Even without adding anything, it nourishes skin. It gives us a kind of smooth glowing skin. And today we'll be adding few natural ingredients too. Lest I forget, I use 1 kilograms of black soap. And the first ingredient we'll be adding is our bitter leaf juice. Bitter leaf juice helps cleanse and refresh the skin naturally, making it a great ingredient for acne prone, oily and dull skin while supporting a healthy natural. To get your bitter leaf juice, wash the bitter leaf very well with clean water. Tear the leaf into smaller pieces. Put in a bowl and add a little clean water. Squeeze and mash the leaf thoroughly with your hand until the green juice comes out. Then sieve the liquid to separate the juice from the leaf particles. Use the extracted juice for your soap. Do not add too much water. And the next ingredient I will be adding is my herbal water. You can also get herbal water from where they sell organic soap. Herbal water calms and refreshes skin. And I use just like 100 ml into my 1 kg of black soap. And as I added my herbal water, I mix it together with the bitter leaf juice in order to make a paste of soap. So you're going to use your hand to mix it thoroughly. And if you are making the one that is maybe larger quantity, like 10 kilograms of soap or 5 kilograms, know very well that you are going to increase your bitter leaf juice and also increase your herbal water. And you can see that I did not add any ordinary water to my soap. What I added is a natural organic ingredient, herbal water and bitter leaf juice. So I use my hand to mix together very well until it forms a very smooth paste. And the next ingredient I will be adding is my shea butter. Use up to 10 grams of shea butter into 1 kg of black soap. Shea butter moisturizes dry skin and softens rough skin. It supports smooth and healthy looking skin. That is why this type of soap, anyone can use it. Any type of skin, it goes. And as I add my shea butter, I make sure I mix it very well. And the next ingredient I'm adding is honey. Honey gives the skin a smoother feel. It supports healthy looking. It glows skin and it helps the soap feel gentle on the skin. I use 100 ml. After adding it, and I continue mixing it together. I mix it together very well. Then you make sure everything blends well. Now we introduce the powdered ingredients. The first one I added is my sulphur. I add like 2 tablespoons of sulphur. Then followed by turmeric. Turmeric, I add like 3 tablespoons of turmeric. The next I'm adding is my camwood. Camwood helps exfoliate dead skin gently. It improves appearance and radiance, and it helps your skin to glow. We call it osu in my own dialect. You can add 2 spoons or even more than 2 spoons. And the next ingredient I added is my neem powder. 2 spoons also is okay for 1 kg. You can use more than that. But if you know that you are doing it commercially, kindly rewatch the video again. Take your pen, take your jotter, then jot down all the ingredients and the quantity. Then if you want to do more than the quantity I make, you can multiply it. And if you want to do less, you might choose to do like 500 grams. Then you know that you are going to reduce it, because too much of it, at times it might even affect your soap not to foam well. So you need to use it in a moderate portion so that everything will blend well, and you will see at the end of the day, you will see the way it will help your skin to glow. You see, this type of glowing soap, anyone can use it in a family. I mean anyone, everybody, including the children, because there's no harsh chemical on it. It's organic, it's mild and gentle on skin. So you can also do research on other ingredients that we use, maybe that did not mention the benefits. You can research on it, Google it, go to ChatGPT, ask. So you will know more about all the ingredients that we use. And after adding all this, you can see me, I mix it very well. Organic glowing soap is not just good for skin, it can also become a profitable source of income for you. With proper packaging, good branding, and consistent marketing, you can turn simple ingredients into a business that brings daily sales. Do you know many people are looking for natural skin care products for acne care and glowing skin? So this is a product with high demand. I know you can start with as low as 1 kg. I made this complete 1 kg for a customer. The customer that has been buying small bottle from me. So she decided she wants to make big quantity for the family. If you want to learn more, you want to know how you can package it, maybe in a small quantity, how you can go about it, buy it, brand it, just come into my DM and go straight to the point. And also, if you want it in a larger quantity, small bottle, if you want to maybe be our, you want to help us to be selling it, or you want to buy, or you want a particular organic soap that you want us to make for you, just contact me and tell me this is what you want. We are there 247 to help you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly share, like, subscribe to Empower to Earn, and turn on notification bell for more profitable soap making and skincare business tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.